Never go to the dealership for these 3 repairs. There are 3 repairs dealerships never want you to know the truth about. 3 services that drain your wallet, waste your time, and keep you locked inside a system designed to profit from confusion. But today, we break that cycle. Because once you learn what these repairs really cost and why dealerships push them so hard, you'll never walk into one again for these jobs. Cars have become more advanced, more powerful, and more intelligent than ever before. But behind this progress sits an industry that has mastered a different kind of engineering ways to make money off simple repairs. Dealerships know something the average driver doesn't. Most car problems are far easier, far cheaper, and far faster to fix outside their glass showrooms. Yet millions of drivers continue showing up at dealerships for work that independent shops, certified garages, and even DIY enthusiasts could complete for a fraction of the cost. This video exposes the truth behind the 3 repairs that dealerships mark up the most. These aren't rare issues. These are the repairs you probably paid extra for without even realizing it. And once you recognize the patterns, you'll understand exactly how to avoid those unnecessary expenses while keeping your car safe, reliable, and performing at its best. The greatest myth of car care. It sounds responsible. It sounds trustworthy. Dealerships use shiny floors, clean uniforms, and digital screens to build confidence. But behind those glass-walled service centers is a financial model where every repair, every inspection, and every recommended service package is calibrated to earn maximum profit. Most dealerships aren't repairing cars because they have special tools. They're repairing cars because service departments generate more money than selling new vehicles. Their technicians are skilled, no doubt. But the business model is built on upsells, items your car doesn't always need, delivered at prices the average driver never questions. So let's start with the first repair you should never take to a dealership, because this one alone has saved drivers hundreds of millions of dollars every year. Repair number 1, brake jobs. When you think about critical parts of your vehicle, brakes are at the top. They're essential. They deserve attention. And dealerships know that fear sells. That's why brake repairs are the #1 upsold service anytime you walk through those doors. The truth, they never say a standard brake job, pads and rotors, is one of the most straightforward repairs in the industry. Independent mechanics do it daily. Mobile mechanics can do it in your driveway. It requires no dealership-exclusive tools, no specialized computers, and no proprietary parts. Yet, dealerships often charge 2 to 3 times the price of a certified local garage. Extra fees for OEM-only parts, unnecessary rotor replacements, mandatory labor packages, and inspection charges hidden in the paperwork. A job that should cost $180 to $300 quickly becomes $600, $800, or even $200 at a dealership. The psychology of fear. Here's how it works. You come in for an oil change. They pull you aside with a safety concern. A technician shows you a worn brake pad measuring tool. He says, "You should fix this today. It's unsafe to drive." The urgency creates pressure. And once fear enters the conversation, price becomes secondary. But what they don't tell you is this. Independent shops use the same brake components. Many use OEM equivalent pads from the same suppliers who manufacture dealer parts. The rotor replacements are often unnecessary. Most rotors can be resurfaced or lightly machined unless they're severely warped or scored. Labor time is nearly identical, but dealership labor rates are inflated for profit, often $150 to $250 per hour. When you should still go to the dealership, there is only one exception: cars with specialized electronic brake systems that require factory calibration. Some European luxury brands have brake systems tied to the vehicle's computer, meaning the pads can't retract without a special code. Even then, many independent shops now have these tools. But for the vast majority of drivers, never go to the dealership for brake repairs. You're paying premium prices for one of the simplest jobs in automotive maintenance. Transition. If brake jobs are dealerships' biggest goldmine, the next repair is their quiet masterpiece. A service so simple, so repeatable, and so shockingly overpriced that it forms the backbone of their yearly revenue. And most drivers don't even realize it's happening. Repair number 2, battery replacement. A failing battery is one of the most inconvenient problems a driver can face. It strikes without warning, often on a cold morning, late at night, or right when you're about to leave for work. Dealerships know this moment of vulnerability better than anyone, and they've mastered the art of turning it into profit. When you walk into a dealership with a weak battery, you're not simply sold a replacement, you're sold an experience built on urgency, technical jargon, and the illusion that only a dealership has the tools to bring your vehicle back to life. But the truth is far simpler and far cheaper than they want you to believe. A standard 12-volt battery replacement is one of the most basic operations in automotive repair. It doesn't require a factory technician, a specialized lift, or a high-tech workshop. For most cars, it's as straightforward as loosening two terminals, lifting out the old battery, and dropping in a new one. It takes less than 10 minutes. Yet at dealerships, this same job transforms into a premium price service, often running anywhere from $250 to $650, depending on the brand. The battery itself is usually marked up far beyond retail value, sometimes even double, wrapped in the comforting phrase OEM certified. The irony? Most OEM batteries come from the exact same third-party manufacturers, East Penn, Exide, Johnson Controls, sold at local auto stores for half the price. But dealerships don't stop at the markup. They add layers of unnecessary charges designed to look technical and justified. Terms like battery registration, ECU relearn, and electrical system test appear almost guaranteed to confuse the average driver. In reality, most modern cars don't need advanced programming to accept a new battery. A simple memory saver device prevents the loss of radio codes and clock settings. And even the few vehicles that do require battery registration, mainly high-end European models, can be fully serviced by independent mechanics with the same diagnostic tools. What dealerships present as a complex procedure is, for most vehicles, an everyday task that auto parts stores perform for free the moment you buy a battery from them. The real power of the dealership strategy isn't technology, it's psychology. When a technician shows you a battery health report printed in red bars and warnings, it immediately creates a sense of urgency. Your battery is testing low, they say. You should replace it today. Nobody wants to be stranded, especially when the consequences feel unpredictable. That fear alone pushes many drivers into agreeing to the replacement without shopping around. And that fear is exactly why battery services remain one of the most profitable and least questioned dealership repairs in the world. But understanding the system changes everything. A high-quality aftermarket battery performs just as well as an OEM battery. Auto stores offer professional installations, warranties, and free diagnostics. Independent shops can replace and program batteries for a fraction of dealership prices. And unless you're dealing with a hybrid or electric vehicle's high-voltage system, which absolutely requires specialized technicians, there is no reason to pay dealership rates for a simple 12-volt battery. The dealership wants the process to feel complicated. They want you to believe only they have the tools. But in reality, you're paying luxury prices for a procedure so basic that many drivers learn to do it themselves. That's why battery replacement is one repair you should never take to the dealership. Because the moment you realize how simple and low cost it truly is, the entire illusion collapses. Repair number 3, scheduled maintenance packages. Here's the secret. Dealerships don't make money selling cars. They make money keeping you dependent on factory maintenance. But the truth, most maintenance packages are overbuilt, overhyped, and overpriced versions of what your car actually needs. The marketing tactic. You see a service menu, 10,000 miles, 20,000 miles, 30,000 miles, 50,000 miles. Each with a list of items printed in bold font designed to look important. Words like comprehensive inspection, multi-point analysis, premium system cleaning, brake flush package, advanced performance service. These sound impressive because they're meant to, but here's what's really going on. The truth about most of these items. Many of the services listed are already included in basic inspections, purely visual checks, tasks that require no special expertise, items your car manual doesn't recommend, services you can get anywhere else for far less. For example, cabin filters, engine air filters, fluids, tire rotations, brake fluid flushes, coolant top-offs. These are simple items any certified mechanic can perform without dealership pricing. The factory warranty. Fear dealerships rely heavily on this line. If you don't get your service done here, you'll void the warranty. But legally, this is not true. As long as you follow the manufacturer's schedule, you keep receipts, you use proper parts and fluids, your warranty remains intact no matter where the service is performed. This single piece of misinformation costs drivers billions every year. The most overpriced package, the 30,000-mile and 60,000-mile service intervals. These often include fluid flushes, filter changes, software checks, fuel system cleaning, throttle body cleaning. But most of these items do not require dealership tools. Some don't even need to be done unless symptoms appear. And that fuel system cleaning, often just a $6 additive poured into your tank. The complete picture. Dealerships bundle simple tasks into expensive packages because bundles hide individual costs. A $600 maintenance package sounds less painful than a $120 cabin filter plus a $220 coolant service plus a $150 inspection fee. But independent shops charge fairly, transparently, and without inflated labor costs. What you should always do: follow your owner's manual, not dealership printouts. Request a line-by-line service list. Ask which items are required versus recommended. Compare with a trusted independent shop. Decline any package that includes vague wording. Scheduled maintenance belongs anywhere except the dealership. Now that you've seen the 3 most overpriced repairs, brakes, batteries, and maintenance packages, it's time to understand the bigger picture. The real truth of dealership repairs. Dealerships have a place. They're the right choice for warranty repairs, complex electrical diagnostics, manufacturer recalls highly specialized systems, rare or exotic vehicles. But for everyday repairs, for normal maintenance, for basic wear and tear, dealerships use advanced marketing, psychological pressure, and pricing strategies to turn simple jobs into high-profit transactions. And that's why smart drivers avoid the dealership for these 3 repairs, not because dealerships are bad, but because independent shops are often more honest, more affordable, and more focused on what your car truly needs. Your car is one of the most valuable machines you'll ever own. It takes you to work, carries your family, and turns every journey into a story. But taking care of it shouldn't be a luxury reserved for the dealerships with giant logos and glossy counters. The real power is knowledge. When you know what's necessary, you control the cost. When you understand the system, you avoid the traps. And when you choose your repair shop wisely, your car lives longer, drives smoother, and costs far less. So the next time you see a warning light, hear a strange noise, or face a recommended service package, remember this video, because now you know the truth. Never go to the dealership for these 3 repairs, and never let confusion be the reason your wallet suffers. Thanks for watching. Drive smart, stay informed, and as always, take control of your journey.